Y'all, let's go. I just nailed me a bird with my trusty old red Ryder. Alright, so here's the story. Hey, buddy, I'm gonna leave you die out, okay? Yeah, I know I'm a horrible person, but whatever. Alright, she was just chilling in this bush. I saw this little bird, so I'm gonna go get my BB gun. All of a sudden, I shoot him. I miss. Flies over that tree. I'm like, you dumbass bitch. I took a shot at him. He's laying here there on the ground. Hey, it's okay, buddy. You'll be good. Hey, buddy. It's okay. You'll be okay. No, he won't, guys.